Remote sensing is the process of acquiring data and information about an object, phenomenon, or environment from a distance. It involves the use of various technologies, such as satellites, airplanes, drones, and ground-based sensors, to capture data without making physical contact with the object or environment being studied. Remote sensing is a crucial tool in a wide range of fields, including geography, environmental science, natural resource management, agriculture, and urban planning. Remote sensing works by detecting and measuring electromagnetic radiation reflected or emitted by the object or environment being observed. Different types of remote sensing technologies are used to capture different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum, including visible light, infrared radiation, and microwave radiation. Each type of radiation provides unique information about the object or environment being studied. Satellites are one of the most widely used remote sensing technologies. They are equipped with sensors that capture images and data from different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Satellites can be used to monitor weather patterns, track changes in vegetation cover, and map land use and land cover. They can also be used to study the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, and other natural systems. Airplanes and drones can also be used for remote sensing. They are often used for high-resolution imaging and mapping of smaller areas, such as forests, wetlands, or urban environments. These platforms can also be used to collect data on air quality, temperature, and other environmental variables. Ground-based sensors are another type of remote sensing technology. These sensors are often used to monitor environmental variables such as temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and water quality. They can be used to collect data in real time, providing a continuous stream of information about the environment. Remote sensing data can be used to create maps, monitor changes over time, and analyze patterns and trends in the environment. For example, remote sensing can be used to monitor changes in land use and land cover, track the movement of glaciers, and study the effects of climate change on ecosystems. Remote sensing can also be used to monitor the health of crops and forests, identify potential hazards such as floods or landslides, and manage natural resources more effectively. In conclusion, remote sensing is a powerful tool for studying the Earth and its environment. It allows scientists and researchers to collect data and information without physical contact, providing a valuable perspective on our planet. As technology continues to advance, remote sensing is likely to become even more important for managing and understanding our natural world.